we're ready to get started here. The engine's all warmed up. We found a vacuum line right here that we can shove it into. So I'm going to set up the camera so that I can spray this. We're going to show you the smoke and we'll go from there. Alright, rev it up to 3,500 2 or 3 times. Alright, and let it idle for 1 minute and then we turn it off for an hour. It seems to be running a little bit smoother. Alright, so we'll let it idle for a full minute, turn it off for an hour, then we'll go on a test drive and pick up the action there. Alright, it's been exactly an hour since we did the car. I just turned it on. Everything seems to be good. So we're going to go take it for that test drive. We've got the Torque app pulled up, connected to the dongle to check out any real-time stuff. And we'll see what happens. And we are back from the test drive. We put 18 miles on it. And no issues. Torque didn't throw us any kind of curveballs through any of the data. No check engine lights came up or anything. We cleared the pending misfires from doing the IVD, but it looks like we got this licked, and it seems to be running a little better. There's not as many grumbles. It kind of revs freer, so we'll report back on the next video on how it's doing. We got some plugs and coils coming along with a air temperature sensor because we think there was kind of something going on with that. So that'll be the next video, but until next time, that's been The Place with Cars YouTube.